I did a leadership programme with the National Leadership Centre, which is at the Cabinet Office, on systems leadership, and could really see the power in trying to bring systems together effectively, and so I've had an ambition since then. And then I met Nicole Edgington from the Open University at an event in Cardiff, and so she contacted me and said, would I be interested in running a systems leadership event, and obviously I was. And luckily we managed to attract some really high profile local leaders and some really high quality practitioners to come and join in the event today.
The Open University has been generating systems teaching since 1972. It's useful for activities like today with exploring economic inactivity, because very often you get siloed attention to those kind of issues. And I think what we witnessed today at the event was an opportunity to have those kind of conversations between different professionals, interdisciplinary, if you like, conversations around the issue of economic inactivity, which otherwise would not take place. So we're providing them with the tools, with some very basic tools around diagramming, around systems modelling, complex systems modelling, even within the single-day workshop, which provided that space for people to creatively talk about, explore those issues.
And the timing is brilliant, because on Monday we're launching a whole set of new projects to deliver on our brand new Mansfield strategy. Yes. Some of the leaders of those project teams were in the room today, and I think we've got a chance to put them straight into practice very soon. I think there's an opportunity to weave some of those tools and some of that thinking into the work that we're doing. So I'm hoping that very quickly we'll see some real impact from what we've done today.